Hello everyone. I, Dr.Swapna, Assistant Professor in Sarhat College of Arts, Commerce and Science. In this session, we are going to discuss about the question paper solving. So, in this session, we are discussing about the question paper of April 2022. The subject is a retail management. This is a 2019 pattern. This paper is for a 50 marks. Let's see the MCQ objective type questions, the multiple choice questions. The first is all are the forms of non-store retailing except electronic retailing, vending machines, mail order retailing, and the last option is a membership club. And the correct answer is a membership club. The second is dash is a place where a retail organization decides to start its business operation. Options are given here: the store layout, store location, store image, and store design. The correct option is a store layout. The next is dash is an official document which describes the duties, skills and abilities, minimum qualification and knowledge required to perform a job. Options are given here: job analysis, job specification, job description and job selection. And the correct option is a job specification. The next is the dash is the interior design of commercial premises where the goods are sold to the public. And the correct option is a retail store design. The next is all are the advantages of private label brand except increased margins, minimum orders, brand builders, and a customer loyalty. So, the minimum order is not an advantage of private label brand. Hence, the answer is B, minimum orders. And the last is all are the advantages of private label brand except. Already we discussed the answer is a minimum order. Let's see the B. Question number 1. B. Fill in the blanks. This is for a 5 marks. The combination of a superstore and discount store can be seen as a dash. The answer is a hypermarket. A combination of superstore and discount store is known as a hypermarket. The second is the larger space in retail store, which is rented to an outside vendor, is known as rented. So that's why the correct answer is a leased department. An identification mark or symbol used to represent the retail store to the general public is called, that is known as a symbol. Symbol may be a name, logo may be a name, symbol, or anything which identifies the name or the product of the company. The answer is logo. The next is power centers or a freestanding locations are mainly preferred by the discount retailers. The answer is a discount retailer. The next is dash is the application of marketing techniques to a specific product line or a brand, that is known as a branding. Branding is a process. The next is a private dash are the products sold by a retailer with its own packing but manufactured by a third party. This is known as a private label products or private label. The next is a dash is the inventable meeting point of social media and commerce. And the correct option is e-commerce. The next is long type question. Here are the two questions. You have to choose any one. That is, describe in detail the different types of retailers. And the second option question is, explain the various elements to element of store design. What are the factors affecting the store design? The next is question number 3. Here are also the two questions given. You have to choose any one. Long type questions. What are the various marketing decisions in retailing? Explain the role of retail marketing in store. So you have to explain in short. This is a long question for a 10 marks. Or state the advantages and disadvantages of private label brands. Okay, so explain properly the advantages of private label brands and disadvantages of private label brands. And the last question is, write short notes any four on any four. Retail life cycle, this is very important question. Then the store layout, role of a store manager, omni-channel retailing, retail marketing mix, and a store design. So thank you very much students for patient listening.